Jai Shri Mataji. Buongiorno a tutti. Vi diamo il benvenuto in questo auspicevole giorno dedicato a Shri Maria Mahalakshmi.
Jai Shri Mataji. Good morning everyone and welcome to today's meditation dedicated to Shri Maria Mahalakshmi.
Oggi, 7 dicembre 2021, è la vigilia del giorno dell'Immacolata. Noi, Saggio Yogi di tutto il mondo, desideriamo dedicare questa meditazione a te, Shri Mataji, che nel tuo aspetto di Shri Mahalakshmi ti sei incarnata su questa terra per consentire l'evoluzione all'umanità.
Shri Mataji, today, 7th December, on this auspicious day before the Immaculate Conception, we, the Sahajogi of the world, desire to offer this meditation to you in the form of Shri Mahalakshmi, as you have incarnated on this earth to save the evolution of all humanity. May our hearts be blessed with your divine blessings, and may our meditation enlighten and unite all of us.
Faremo dunque una meditazione nella quale ricorderemo anche le tue incarnazioni in diverse epoche. Poi vedremo il discorso Shri Mahalakshmi Puja tenuto a Monaco in Germania nel 1984. Subito dopo vedremo un piccolo video con Shri Mahalakshmi Stotram tradotta in italiano. Finiremo la meditazione con 2 momenti di gioia e devozione. Namo Namo Maria, cantato a Shri Mataji durante il puja ai suoi divini piedi di loto, e poi Lakshmi Ali in un altro puja dove le Lakshmi decorano Shri Mataji. Buona meditazione a tutti. Ed ora facciamo Namaskar, ci alziamo la Kundalini e ci diamo 7 bandhan.
Let us all offer Namaskar, raise our Kundalini and take 7 bandhan.
Mettiamo le mani sulla madre terra e chiediamo: Shri Adi Bhumi Devi, toccandoti ti chiediamo il permesso di poterci sedere in meditazione e connetterci a te. Noi ci arrendiamo a te.
Now let us put both our hands on Mother Earth and pray to Shri Adi Bhumi Devi. Mother, please grant us the permission to do this meditation and establish the divine connection within us. Mantra to Shri Adi Bhumi Devi. Om
Tvameva Sakshat Shri Adi Bhumi Devi Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mettiamo ora la nostra mano sinistra sulle gambe e la mano destra verso madre terra. Portiamo la nostra attenzione su Shri Ganesha nel nostro Muladhara Chakra. Shri Ganesha, tu sei il nostro fratello maggiore. Per favore, donaci innocenza, purezza, castità e saggezza. Per favore, proteggimi in ogni momento.
Now let us put our left hand on the lap and right hand on the Mother Earth. Salutations to Sri Ganesha, our elder brother. Sri Ganesha, please bless us with childlike innocence, purity, chastity, and wisdom. Please let us be in your divine protection always. Now let us recite mantra to Sri Ganesha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devye Namo Namaha.
Ritorniamo ora con entrambe le mani sulle gambe. Portiamo l'attenzione sul nostro Svadhisthana Chakra e chiediamo: Madre, ti prego, donami la pura conoscenza, purifica la mia attenzione. Per favore, benedicimi con la creatività. Fa che il mio viaggio verso lo spirito possa ricevere la spinta del puro desiderio, che come un fuoco ardente possa bruciare tutte le illusioni dentro di me.
Now let us bring back our right hand on the lap and put our attention on the Svadhisthana Chakra. Let us pray to Sri Mataji. Mother, you are Sri Brahmadev Saraswati within me. Please give me pure knowledge and pure attention. Please bless me with creativity. Please let the power of my pure desire ignite my evolution towards the Spirit and burn away all the illusions inside me.
Mettiamo ora l'attenzione sul nostro Nabi e chiediamo: Madre, ti prego, donami la pace, donami la soddisfazione, donami l'equilibrio. Io desidero emanare dignità e regalità. Io desidero l'evoluzione spirituale.
Now let us put our attention on the Nabhi Chakra and pray to Sri Mataji. Mother, you are Sri Lakshmi, you are Sri Vishnu within me. Please give me peace, satisfaction and balance. Mother, please bless my life with generosity, dignity and majesty. Sri Mataji, please grant me my spiritual ascent.
Ed ora leggiamo un brevissimo estratto di un discorso di madre tenuto a Sangli, in India, nel 1986, a proposito delle incarnazioni di Sri Mahalakshmi.
And now we will read a short extract from Mother's talk at Sangli in 1986 with reference to the incarnation of Sri Mahalakshmi.
Ora vediamo quante incarnazioni di Sri Mahalakshmi abbiamo avuto. Innanzitutto, il principio di Sri Mahalakshmi è in stretto rapporto con un guru. È una relazione colma di amore e purezza. Se osserviamo dall'inizio, accanto a ogni Adiguru, lei nacque come figlia e sorella. Ad esempio, la figlia di Janaka fu Sri Sita. Lei era l'incarnazione di Sri Mahalakshmi, il principio di Sri Mahalakshmi. Sri Sita era Sri Mahalakshmi e la figlia di Janaka. Anche la sorella di Sri Nanaki, era Sri Mahalakshmi. La sua relazione con il guru era sororale. Allo stesso modo, la figlia di Maometto, Fatima, era Sri Mahalakshmi. Dopo di lei Radha era l'incarnazione di Sri Mahalakshmi. E dopo lei Maria era Sri Mahalakshmi e la sua relazione era improntata alla purezza. Era così pura che con la sua purezza diede alla luce Sri Gesù. Lei era una forma della Vergine nella sua completa purezza ed essendo l'incarnazione della Vergine, in virtù della propria purezza ebbe un figlio puro come Cristo. Quindi anche lei era Sri Mahalakshmi.
Now let us see how many incarnations we have had of Shri Mahalakshmi. Firstly, the principle of Shri Mahalakshmi is very close with the Guru, a relation of plenty of love and purity. Now, if we see from the beginning with all the Adi Gurus, she was born to them as a daughter or as a sister. Like the daughter of Janaka was Sri Sita. She was the form of Shri Mahalakshmi, was the principle of Shri Mahalakshmi. Sita was Shri Mahalakshmi, and she was the daughter of Janaka. Then the sister of Shri Nanaki, she was Shri Mahalakshmi. Her relation was of sister. In the same way, the daughter of Muhammad Sahib, Fatima, she was Shri Mahalakshmi. After her, Radha. Radha was the name of Shri Mahalakshmi. After her, Mary. Mary was Shri Mahalakshmi, and her relation was of purity. She was so pure that with her purity she gave birth to Shri Christ. So she was a form of complete pure virgin. And as she was a form of virgin, because of her purity, she got a son pure as Christ. So she was also Shri Mahalakshmi.
Rendiamo ora omaggio a queste incarnazioni di Sri Mahalakshmi dicendo il mantra corrispondente.
Let us now pay homage to these incarnations of Shri Mahalakshmi.
Omaggio a Sri Sita, la figlia di Sri Raja Janaka.
Salutations to Shri Sita, the daughter of Shri Raja Janaka.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sita Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Omaggio a Sri Nanaki, la sorella di Sri Guru Nanak.
Salutations to Shri Nanaki, the sister of Shri Guru Nanak.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nanaki Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Omaggio a Sri Fatima, la figlia di Sri Maometto.
Salutations to Sri Fatima, the daughter of Sri Muhammad.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Fatima Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Omaggio a Sri Radha, la Shakti di Shri Krishna.
Salutations to Sri Radha, the Shakti of Shri Krishna.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Radha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Omaggio a Sri Maria, la madre di Sri Gesù.
Salutations to Sri Mary, the mother of Sri Jesus Christ.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mary Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mettiamo ora la mano sul cuore e sentiamo i piedi di loto di Madre che aprono il nostro cuore. Madre, per favore, riempimi d'amore, beatitudine e coraggio. Permettimi di assorbire il nettare delle tue vibrazioni.
Now let us all raise our attention to the Anahata and feel the presence of Shri Mataji's holy lotus feet inside our hearts. Mother, please fill my heart with pure love, joy, and fearlessness. Let me absorb your nectar of vibrations into my heart.
Mettiamo ora l'attenzione sul Vishuddhi Chakra e chiediamo: Madre, ti prego, rendimi testimone del gioco della vita. Donami la dolcezza. Madre, io non sono colpevole di niente.
Now let us put our attention on the Vishuddhi and pray to Shri Mataji. Mother, you are Shri Radha Krishna within me. Please bless me with sweetness in my speech. Make me a detached witness of all the Maya happening around me. Please balance my Vishuddhi and remove all my guilt.
Ed ora finalmente nell'Agya Chakra chiediamo: Madre, io perdono tutto e tutti. Perdono anche me stesso. Madre, perdono con tutto il mio cuore. Tu sei Sri Maria, la madre di Sri Gesù. Io ti ringrazio per tutto quello che hai fatto per tutti noi. Per favore, vieni nel mio Agnya Chakra e consentimi di giungere alla salvezza, al paradiso.
Let us put our attention on our Agya and humbly pray to Shri Mataji. Mother, you are Shri Mother Mary, you are Shri Jesus Christ within me. We kindly request you to purify our Agya and bless us with forgiveness and thoughtlessness. Mother, I forgive everybody, including myself.
E ora, giunti nel Sahasrara, chiediamo: Madre, per favore, metti i tuoi divini piedi di loto nel mio Sahasrara. Tu sei la regina del Sahasrara. Io mi arrendo completamente al tuo volere. In questo auspicevole giorno, fa che il mio desiderio sia unicamente quello di evolvere e di ascendere. L'unica ricchezza che desidero è quella spirituale. Grazie, Madre, per tutte le tue benedizioni.
And finally, let us put our attention on our Sahasrara and pray. O Divine Mother, you are the Queen of Sahasrara. You are the greatest incarnation that has ever happened on this earth. Mother, please come on my Sahasrara. Mother, please strengthen my pure desire to grow and ascend spiritually, the only treasure I long for. Shri Mataji, I thank you for all your infinite blessings which you have given to me. Thank you, Mother, with all my heart.
Cantiamo ora i 3 mantra del Sahasrara.
Let us all sing the 3 great mantras. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Trigunatmika Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Sahasrara Swamini Moksha Pradaini Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Bolo Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Ki Jai. Jai Shri Mataji.
Madre, ti ringraziamo con tutto il nostro cuore perché ci nutri e ci proteggi sempre. Noi non siamo nulla senza di te. Tu sei la fonte dell'innocenza, della purezza, dell'amore e della beatitudine. Per favore, rendici puri e donaci la castità e tutte le qualità di Shri Mahalakshmi, cosicché possiamo ottenere il privilegio di risiedere sempre ai tuoi divini piedi di loto, come il nostro fratello maggiore Shri Ganesha e Shri Gesù.
Shri Mataji, from the bottom of our hearts, we thank you for uniting us with your holy lotus feet. Mother, please bless each one of us with the qualities of Sri Mahalakshmi and allow us to prosper in our journey towards our final destination. We surrender all our thoughts and deeds to you. You are the only source of our emancipation. Mother, please forgive us for all our mistakes.
Ed ora continuiamo la meditazione con il discorso Sri Mahalakshmi a Monaco dell'84.
Now let us all listen to the talk of Srimati Ji at Germany in the year 1984.
Jai Shri Mataji.
Today is a great day of Mahalakshmi Puja. So Mahalakshmi is an incarnation of the Lakshmi, the power of Vishnu. She only incarnate.
Heute ist es ein großes Tag, weil es ist das Tag von Mahalakshmi. Maggie? Where is Maggie?
Maggie. She's doing with the food, she's working with the food.
She should translate.
Okay, Maggie, you should translate.
Und Mahalakshmi ist die einzige der drei Urkräfte, die sich inkarniert.
This Mahalakshmi principle is born out of the Lakshmi, who is the power of Sri Vishnu.
Die Prinzip der Mahalakshmi ist aus der Lakshmi-Prinzip geboren und das ist der Prinzip von Sri Vishnu.
Loudly. Now this, when in a human being, the desire to rise higher comes in, the Lakshmi principle becomes the Mahalakshmi principle.
In einem Mensch, wenn der Wunsch sich steigert, aufzusteigen, dann wächst dieses Prinzip innerhalb von ihnen.
Like in the West, we can say people have affluence of Lakshmi, so they wanted to rise above that principle and become Mahalakshmi.
Im Westen können wir sehen, dass die Leute sehr viel Geld haben und die Segen von Sri Lakshmi und sie wollten dann weitergehen in den Bereich von Mahalakshmi.
In the awareness, it acts on the matter like aesthetics. People worry more about aesthetics than about possessions.
Dann fangen die Leute an, mehr über der Ästhetik zu denken als über materielle Besitztum.
And when they start growing higher and higher in their awareness of seeking, then they find that the attention should be such that they should pay more importance to the aesthetics of things than to the gross values.
Und wenn sie höher wachsen, dann sehen sie, dass es wichtig ist, mehr Aufmerksamkeit der Ästhetik zu schenken als materielle Sachen.
Now when this desire becomes evident in the human beings, then only Lakshmi incarnates as Mahalakshmi.
Es ist nur, wenn dieser Wunsch in den Menschen aufwächst, dass Lakshmi als Mahalakshmi sich inkarniert.
So she incarnated as Mahalakshmi when Rama came on this earth first time.
Sie hat als Mahalakshmi sich inkarniert, wie Sri Rama zum ersten Mal auf diese Erde gekommen ist.
And also she incarnated as Radha when Sri Krishna came on this earth.
Sie hat sich als Radha inkarniert, wie Sri Krishna auf der Erde gekommen ist.
And when she came as Mary, it was Mahalakshmi who bore the child that is Lord Jesus Christ.
Sie hat als Sri Mahalakshmi, als Maria Christus geboren.
So the child she bore was the great personality of Mahavishnu.
Und das Kind, das sie geboren hat, ist das große Persönlichkeit von Mahavishnu.
This Mahavishnu Tattva is also represented, or we can say has an aspect of others which incarnated on this earth as two children of Sita.
Dieser Aspekt der Mahavishnu hat auch zwei Aspekte, die als zwei Kinder von Sita auf der Erde sich inkarniert haben.
They incarnated as Mahavira and Buddha, as Hassan and Hussein.
Sie haben sich inkarniert als Buddha und Mahavira, als Hassan und Hussein.
Also at the time of the prophets, Mahalakshmi incarnates as a pure relationship with them.
Auch zur Zeit von den Propheten hat Mahalakshmi sich inkarniert in eine reine Beziehung zu ihnen.
Like Raja Janaka's daughter was Janaki, means Sita. Then she came on this earth as the daughter of Muhammad Sahib, and then she came on this earth as Nanaki, the sister of Nanaka.
Sie ist zum Beispiel auf die Erde gekommen als Janaki, die Tochter von Raja Janaka, als Nanaki, die Schwester von Guru Nanak und als die Tochter von Muhammad Sahib.
So she recites as a pure relationship of these gurus.
Sie residiert wie eine reine Beziehung zu diesen Gurus.
Thus the Mahalakshmi's greatness is that through her power only the Sushumna is covered by Kundalini.
Die Größe von Mahalakshmi ist derjenige, dass die Sushumna Nadi durch ihre Kraft geöffnet werden kann.
She is the power of our evolution.
Sie ist die Kraft unserer Evolution.
And by her power only we have risen to be human beings, and by her son's power we are going to become higher people.
Durch ihre Kraft sind wir aufgestiegen und Menschen geworden, und durch die Kraft von ihrem Sohn werden wir weiterentwickeln.
Thus the importance of Mahalakshmi is very great for all the Sahajogis.
Die Wichtigkeit von Mahalakshmi ist sehr groß für alle Sahaja Yogi,
because she guides our Vishnu Tattva to its culmination, to its completion.
weil sie unser Vishnu Tattva zu seinem Endpunkt dirigiert.
Which is the principle of our evolution.
Das ist der Prinzip von unserer Evolution.
Thus she is a giver of dharma. She gives us the dharma, and she is the giver of the truth.
Sie gibt uns Dharma und sie gibt uns die Wahrheit.
She is the one who relates us to our brain. The whole brain system is Mahalakshmi system.
Sie gibt eine Verbindung zu unserem Gehirn. Dieses ganze System vom Gehirn ist ihr System.
So it is she who exposes the whole of the knowledge as truth to us on our central nervous system.
Sie zeigt uns das ganze Wissen auf unserem zentralen Nervensystem.
But at the state of Virata, when when Vishnu becomes the Virat, the great primordial being, then she is called as Viratangana, as his power.
Aber auf der Ebene von der Virata, wo Sri Krishna als der Größe Gottes erkannt werden wird, ist sie Dviratangana, sein Shakti.
So these are the incarnations of Mahalakshmi about which I have told you.
Das sind die Inkarnationen von Mahalakshmi, über den ich schon einmal gesprochen habe.
There is so much can be said about this Mahalakshmi Tattva. We are all blessed so much by that. And so today we remember her great incarnation as Maria, who was very great because she had to bear terrible pain within her heart with all her powers that she had. She was a tremendously powerful lady, but despite that she bore all the tortures of Christ upon her heart, and it was her order and her desire that Christ has to crucify himself so that people could be resurrected.
Man kann sehr viel über Mahalakshmi sagen. Wir sind alle sehr von ihr gesegnet. Und sie ist als Maria gekommen. Heute verehren wir ihr als Maria. Und Maria, obwohl sie eine sehr kräftige, sehr starke Frau war, hat auf ihrem Herz das Leiden von Jesus Christus tragen müssen, obwohl sie alle Kräfte gehabt hat. Und sie hat ihm gesagt, dass er sich kreuzigen lassen sollte, damit wir auferstehen können.
And sometimes Indians ask me, what did she do to be a Mahalakshmi? What did she achieve? I said, with all her powers to bear it, to play the drama, it must be too much.
Manchmal fragen mich indische Leute, was sie gemacht hat, um Mahalakshmi zu werden. Und ich sage, wenn sie alle diese Schmerzen auf ihrem Herz tragen kann, dadurch wird sie Mahalakshmi.
So she is the Redeemer and she connects you to God.
Sie ist diejenige, die uns rettet und eine Verbindung zu Gott herstellt.
In the sense she is the bridge.
Sie ist wie eine Brücke.
But the Kundalini rises over the bridge.
Und die Kundalini geht über diese Brücke.
And Kundalini is the Mahakali.
Und die Kundalini ist die Kraft von Mahakali.
Now we have a temple in India which you have visited of Mahalakshmi in Kolhapur. And there, when they sing, when they worship Mahalakshmi, at that time they say, Udho, Udho, Ambe. That time they say, oh, Ambe, the Kundalini, you rise.
Es gibt einen Tempel in Kolhapur in Indien für Sri Mahalakshmi und wenn sie singen, sagen die Leute, Kundalini soll sich aufheben. Sie singen auf Sanskrit.
But Kundalini is the potential of all the three powers, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, because it is the primordial desire.
Die Kundalini ist die Kraft von alle drei, die Shaktis, die in den drei Kanälen sind, weil sie ist die Kraft der reinen Wunsch.
Because she is the Holy Ghost. So she contains all these three powers in it.
Sie ist die Heilige Geist und sie hat alle diese drei Kräfte innerhalb von sich.
Like Adi Shakti has all the three powers of Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati.
Und Adi Shakti hat auch alle die drei Kräfte in sich.
So now today is a great day for us because Mahalakshmi has helped us so much. Her blessings are so much. She looks after all our well-being. She is the one who looks after all our problems of redemption. She is the one who gives us all the possible help in our chakras and correction of them. And she is the one who gives us all that is material or physical well-being. So we have to be very, very thankful to her today. We have to be grateful. And also, today is Gregor's birthday. So I would like to congratulate him for making me come to Munich because we had such a tremendous program. May God bless you all.
चक्र गदाहस्ते श्री निर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते Namaste Garudarure Olhasura Bhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Shri Nirmala Devi Namostute. Sarvagni Sarvavarde Sarvadushta Bhayankari Sarvadukha Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi Mukti Mukti Pradayini Mantra Bhutte Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Adyantarahite Devi Adishakti Maheshwari Yogare Yoga Sambhute Shri Nirmala Devi Namostute Sula Sukshma Maharagre Mahashakti Mahodare Mahapapa Hare Devi Shri Nirmala Devi Namostute. Padmasanstite Devi Parabrahma Swarupini Parameshri Jaganmata Mahalakshmi Namostute Shvetambardhare Devi Manalankara Bhushite Jagatite Jaganmata Mahalakshmi Namostute Shri Nirmalam Stakam Stotram Yat Hare Bhakti Manara Sarvasiddhimavapnoti Rajam Prapnoti Sarvada Ekakalam Pare Nityam Mahapapa Vinasanam Vikalam Yat Pare Nityam Dhananya Samannita Srikalam Yat Pare Nityam Mahasatru Vinasanam श्रीनिर्मला देवी भवे नित्यम् प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते श्रीनिर्मला देवी नमोस्तुते। नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
मराठी 72
नमो नमो मारिया हो नमो नमो मारिया तुझा नमस्कार
तुझ्या पोटी जन्म घेई प्रभू तारणा तुझ्या पोटी जन्म घेई प्रभू तारणा
नमो नमो मारिया हो नमो नमो मारिया तुझा नमस्कार
अरे तुझ्या पोटी जन्म घेई प्रभू तारणा
तुझा पोटी जन्म घेई प्रभू तारणा
देव बाप झाला रे तुझला
तुझ्या पोटी जन्म गई प्रभू तारणा, तुझ्या पोटी जन्म गई प्रभू तारणा.
सन्निध ठेली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली. लक्ष्मी आली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली. लक्ष्मी आली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली. केश मोकळे स्कंधावरती, केश मोकळे स्कंधावरती. हरित कंचुकी भुजा शोभती, हरित कंचुकी भुजा शोभती. तडित प्राय पीतांबर निगुती, तडित प्राय पीतांबर निगुती. कृपेने हा कृपा आम्हावर झाली लक्ष्मी आली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली लक्ष्मी आली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली स्वभक्त नाशकते निर्दाळी स्वभक्त नाशकते निर्दाळी चिंता गेली भीती निमाली चिंता गेली भीती निमाली आनंदे ही सृष्टी कोंदली आनंदे ही सृष्टी कोंदली खरी दीपवाळी तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली लक्ष्मी आली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली लक्ष्मी तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली संत साधू जन गाती नाचती संत साधू जन गाती नाचती ओवाळुनिया मंगल आरती ओवाळुनिया मंगल आरती प्रसाद मिष्टान्नाच गणती प्रसाद मिष्टान्नाच गणती तहान भूक निमाली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली लक्ष्मी आली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली लक्ष्मी आली तिची कृपा झाली वैकुंठीच्या हरीची राणी वैकुंठीच्या हरीची राणी जगदंबा गुरु कृपा रूपिणी जगदंबा गुरु कृपा रूपिणी वसे मनाच्या मुळी साधनी वसे मनाच्या मुळी साधनी आजी हो कळली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली लक्ष्मी आली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली लक्ष्मी तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली दृश्य चराचर व्यापून ठेली दृश्य चराचर व्यापून ठेली भक्तासाठी सगुण जहाली भक्तासाठी सगुण जहाली दिगंबराच्या दासा कवळी निज कर हो कमली तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली लक्ष्मी आली 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 तिची कृपा आम्हावर झाली आम्हावर झाली आम्हावर झाली बोला आदिशक्ती माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी की जय जगत जननी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी की जय सहजयोगदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी की जय
أشهد أن